In this tutorial, we will learn how to use Amazon Web Services EC2 Elastic Compute Cloud with Java. EC2 provides scalable computing capacity in the cloud and is a great way to host Java applications in the cloud. Before we begin, you'll need to have the following. 1. An AWS account with the necessary permissions to create EC2 instances. 2. A basic understanding of Java programming. To get started, we first need to launch an EC2 instance. To do this, we'll use the AWS Management Console. Once you're logged in, navigate to the EC2 dashboard and click on the Launch Instance button. From here, you can choose an Amazon Machine Image AMI for your instance. For this tutorial, we'll use the Amazon Linux 2 AMI. Next, you'll need to choose an instance type. This will depend on your application, but we'll use the EC2 micro-instance type for this tutorial. You'll then be prompted to configure instance details and storage, and configure security groups. These settings will depend on your use case and application needs, so configure them as necessary. Finally, review your instance launch settings and launch your instance. Once your instance is launched, to access your instance, you'll need to use the SSH client of your choice. For this tutorial, we'll use the built-in terminal app on macOS or Linux and PuTTY on Windows. To connect to your instance using the built-in terminal app, be sure to replace your key, PEM and your instance publicness num with the appropriate values for your instance. You'll be prompted to confirm the connection and may need to enter your SSH key passphrase. Once you're connected, you can begin configuring your instance for your application. This may include installing Java and any necessary libraries or dependencies. Thanks for watching and happy coding!